Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So let's continue today the update series for the Crawlomatic plugin that I started this year. And before I added Tor network crawling capability to Crawlomatic, so it is able to crawl and scrape Tor sites and sites from the Onion network. And today I am adding to a new update for the Crawlomatic plugin, which will enable it to crawl also sites which handle form submissions using the post method. So if you're familiar with forms and form submissions and the post method, you will be very happy to hear about this update, because you might know that some pages and some forms on some pages use the post method to get data from users, and after these forms are submitted, they are redirected to sites that handle the post data, and they process this data and they display custom search results based on this data and so on. So this is how the post data is usually used, and now the plugin can also make post requests. So let me show this in action. So for example, I have here this example We3 Schools page, which handles form data in the post form. So I have this example form where I can submit data to this page and make here display its received input. So I can enter here and click submit, and as a result the name that I submitted was displayed here. So I can simulate this also in the plugin and without any URL parameters, because the data was submitted as post data. So I can simulate this in the plugin by adding in the Crawlomatic plugin this URL. So let's test the plugin, and now I will simulate this post request, and I will use this data to enter in the form. So for this I will copy the URL of this page that will be pasted here. So this is needed. The URL that handles the form data needs to be added here, and afterwards click settings, scroll down until you see post request field. So this is the new feature that was added in the latest update of the plugin, and now you should copy the parameters in this format. So keep in mind that post parameters have this format, and different parameters, name equals value, and the end character, and the second parameter name equals value. So this is how you handle post request fields, and you could enter here and other parameter values and names. Okay, but now let's leave this how it is. So let's change it to reflect our changes, and now we can go ahead and scrape this site. So if we add here a post value in the post request fields, the plugin will automatically set the request as post request. So we can scrape this site and check our site first. It has some test posts, but if we run importing here, another post should appear, and the form displays the parameter that we added because your input was received, because this page was crawled. So as we can see, the Crawlomatic plugin is able to crawl now also post data and to simulate post requests. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this content and these videos. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay safe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.